Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another overview and install video of a product from Kemimoto. They've been a big supporter of the channel and have sent me a number of products for my 2022 Honda Grom. Today I'm going to unbox and install this rear luggage rack for the 22 Grom. I recently did a video of a bag that Kemimoto makes for the 22 Grom that uses this belt loop. This product will actually extend the area that you can put luggage quite a bit further over the rear tail light. And I'm looking forward to trying it out. So after the overview, install, and riding it around a bit, I'm going to give this away like I do quite a few products that I do for installs. So stick around to the end of the video to see how you can win this if you're interested. So given how small this box is, there's probably going to be a bit of assembly required. First is a little bit of hardware. And then the rest look like they're the various brackets that will comprise the luggage rack. This piece being the main one that will extend back here. Actually, let me move the camera a little bit so that you can see how it'll look. This is a nice heavy piece of aluminum and has some really good anodizing. And it is definitely going to hold a significant amount of weight. You can see how thick that aluminum is. So one concern I have on my particular installation here is whether or not this is going to fit well with the dual Yoshimura cans that I have. So in the event that it doesn't fit, I'll be able to remove the cans to show you what the test fit looks like, because most people aren't running exhausts that are up here using these side mounts, which this bracket will as well. The kit comes with pretty detailed instructions and it looks very straightforward. There's just a couple of mounting points to connect the rear luggage rack with the side brackets, and then the standoffs and hardware to mount it to the two holes on each side. So there are two parts to the assembly of this. One is mounting the side panels onto the luggage rack, and then the second is mounting the entire rack onto the bike. So the kit comes with really nice stainless steel hardware. The sidearm goes inside the luggage rack. The bolt and washer go through, and you get the nut started on the other side. This uses an M5 Allen key and then a 13mm box wrench for the nut. Since there's a little bit of play, I'm going to wait to finally tighten it down until the assembly's on the bike so that I can make sure that the luggage rack is perfectly aligned the way that I want it. Let me get the same bolt, washer, and nuts on this side and we'll get it onto the bike. So I did end up removing my exhaust again just because the dual Yoshi high mount mounts up here. Most exhausts, both the stock and aftermarket, mount to the rear set, so it's much lower and this won't be an issue. But in my case, I pulled them off to demonstrate the installation. I do have the luggage rack now complete and ready to bolt on, and it's going to mount, let's see, just like this. So to get the bolts into the mounting positions here, there's these little plastic caps that you just pop off. And then you can see these threaded inserts, and that's where we'll be mounting the luggage rack too. So this last installation step of getting this onto the bike is going to be using the included hardware, the bolt, a split washer, which will go through the luggage rack, and then this aluminum standoff. And this uses a 6mm Allen key to fasten down. And I left these a little bit loose, but looking at them, everything looks pretty well aligned. So I'm going to go ahead and tighten these down as well. All right, so super simple installation, and I think that looks really clean. The line here is aligned with the rest of the seat, and again, this looks extremely durable. So for starters, the Kemimoto bag for the 22 Grom that I talked about earlier in the video, I think will work just fine on this. One of the issues with how it was mounted previously using the strap is that for a smaller rider like myself, there's plenty of room, but if you're a taller rider and you sit further back in the seat, it was going to butt up against you. But with this extension here, you could actually mount this all the way back here and have more than enough room for even a taller rider. So This fits really well. Again, the strap system that this comes with can easily mount through all of the nice loopholes that they have. Not that you'd want to, but I mean, I can sit on the back of this. Also, not that I'm particularly heavy, but this is very sturdy. The footprint of the luggage rack, though, is pretty big, and it's also nice and flat. So, for instance, you could strap an extra gallon of gasoline, which would effectively double the range on the Honda Grom if you're riding through an area that didn't have a lot of fuel. The options are pretty much endless of what you could use this for, but definitely a high quality product. Again, very strong and sturdy, and the black looks good with the rest of the black on the bike. So a big thank you to Kemimoto for letting me try out this product. I think this is an excellent solution for a luggage rack if you're looking to have more storage on your Honda Grom. I will link in the description below directly to this product if you're interested in purchasing it. And if you're interested in winning this particular one, please leave a comment in the description below telling me that you're interested in winning it. Please make that comment by Friday, December 16th. We're in the year 2022, in case you're watching this at some point in the future. And it's also crazy that we're also at the end of the year. I'm hoping to get a couple more videos in before we reach the new year, but as I reflect on the year, I am so appreciative of all of the viewers, all of the vendors, and all of the amazing people that I've met this year. So thank you all very much for all of the support and interaction. Thank you everybody for watching. Stay tuned for more videos and keep on building. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have an overview and install video of, fuck a duck.